guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is a 1969 Chevelle. Man, this thing is beautiful, top, bottom, inside, and out. There is a 454 under that beautiful hood making a bunch of horsepower. That's hooked up to a 4-speed, and I tell you what, I've had a blast driving it. We actually were out driving it earlier today and it was just amazing. Look at that chrome, looks brand new. The grill is looking sweet, and all these things that I'm pointing out are things that you should be looking at when you're buying a car, like that body line right there. Look down that hood. Look how nice and straight that is. You can see how nice and clean the body line is, how straight it is. When you look down the side of the car, no waves, no wiggles. That door fits great. And this blue is just popping, man. You want to talk about beautiful? You drive this down the road in the sunshine, you got to have sunglasses on. This thing is beautiful. We got great looking interior here also. Everybody that knows me knows you got to have black interior in your muscle car. Love the steering wheel, the bucket seats, the 4-speed, seat belts in the rear so you can hook down the kiddies in the back seat so you don't throw them around. I used to throw my boys around the back seat of my car all the time. We got a good looking dome light and it's working. The shoulder belts are there. Dash itself's in beautiful shape. She is gorgeous inside and out. Then we got the center console there too, housing that her shifter. You look down that quarter panel, just as straight as can be. You always want to look at the reflections in the paint. I'll tell you what, the reflections are mirror-like. You can see the trim around the taillights, like on these cars. That's a thing I look at. I look at the condition of the lenses. You see the condition of the chrome on the bumper. And then the emblems also, looking sweet. Now I only got 2 keys here, so I got a 50-50 chance. Look at that, I got it right. Got a real nice looking car cover here. Always look up the mat, or lift up the mat and look underneath it. You can also see the wheel wells nice and tight, looking good. Everything in here is nice and clean. Whenever you can see all the nooks and crannies are clean, you know the quality of the rest of the car follows suit. Bottom side of the deck lid's nicely painted. You can see they had the latch out when they did the restoration. That's a big, again, indicator of, you know, these guys put some time and some work into this baby. Look down that passenger side, she's straight as can be. I can't get over the color of this blue. It is just popping in here under the lights, and then when you get it out in the sun, it looks even better. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. We own every one of the cars here, so you know we do our homework before we lay out our money. First thing that happens to every car here at Vanguard is they go up on the lift and they get inspected so we can answer every question you have. So don't hesitate to call Tom anytime. 248-974-9513. Now you can check us out on the web at vanguardmotorsales.com. You're watching us on YouTube right now, and we do about 40 of these videos every month. We've always got new inventory coming in. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that little bell button, and you'll get a notification every time we get a cool car in. It is Chevelle time. We got horsepower, size big. This thing is a rocket, man. You want to talk about a sweetheart? This thing is amazing. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this car anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you exactly how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. Now we can help you out with financing too. No problem whatsoever. You can either fill that out online at vanguardmotorsales.com, or you can talk to Tom on the phone and he will tell you exactly what you need to do. We'll hook you up with the banker and we'll get this dream parked in your drive. Now we're about to do something that nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this baby up on the lift so you can check it out on the bottom side. We're gonna take pictures, we're gonna do a video, and if you want any close-ups of any in particular areas, you just let Tom know. We'll get you close-up pictures of anything you want. Just listen to this baby. She just sounds amazing, looks amazing. Look down here on the dash. Everything looking sweet down here. Now the tack is not working right now. I will have the guys check that out and we'll get that working for you. We do have a tack down here. We got extra gauges down here. Love the steering wheel and the tilt column. It just sounds amazing. Now we are very close to the airport here in Detroit. So if you'd like to fly in and check this thing out in person, we'd love to have you. We do sell about 95% of our stuff sight unseen, but we do love to have people come in and check them out in person. As a matter of fact, we encourage you to come out and check them out in person. We'd love to meet you. Or if you want to send an inspector, no problem there either. Just make sure you let us know you and or your inspector are coming so we can be ready. We got a lot of square footage and a lot of cars. We may have to move a few around. We have a lot of people fly in the morning, do their business, and fly right back home the same day. Now here's our shop at 15100 Keel Street. Stick with us, we're going in the air with it right now. All right, we're underneath the Chevelle now, and you can see it's got a brand new tank. It's got real nice paint on the bottom side of the trunk floor. You can see it's also got fairly new exhaust, and it's got this big Moser cover on this 12-bolt axle. Now what's so cool about these is those two bolts right there put extra pressure on the center section main caps, so that makes it a lot stronger. It's got a, let me check my notes here. I've done for 373 gear in it. And again, like I said, it is Posi. You can see the new shocks here. It's got the reinforced lower control arms. It's got the extra arms up here for extra support. That's what all the SS cars had on them, these extra arms. You can see the floorboards here, all nicely painted. The frame's all nicely painted. I always check in these low areas of the frame. Again, you know, junk got up in there, you know, mice crawled up in there and built nests and shit. So this is the area that normally rots out that you have to worry about. So always take a good close look there. I also always run my hand across the back side of the rocker. When you've got it on the lift, you can look up in there, and this is beautiful. And you can see they took the time to even paint the bottom side of the rocker. The pinch weld looks good. We got a T10 transmission here. That's a 4-speed. We got an explosion-proof bell housing. Looks like it's got the stock clutch linkage on it. It's got some good-looking headers. These very well could be stainless steel. They got kind of a brown tinge to them, so very well could be stainless. We got disc brakes up front. The guys check all the brakes out. We got drums in the back. The guys actually take those all apart, make sure they're in good working order. I always also check the core support, one of the first things to go, and look at the front frame horns. And you can see these are nice and straight. Looks like brand new chrome on the bumper. Everything under here is nice and clean. The tires look like they're fairly new too. We got 245/60 15s on some great looking SS 396 wheels. You can see the paint work right down to the bottom edge of the front fender, and I always try to get a finger in behind there, feel around. That's nice and smooth back there. And again, this pinch weld looks just like the passenger side, nice and straight, no swelling there. That's what you're looking for. Make sure that's not all swelled up. Now we got some real meat on the back. More than likely these are 10-inch rims, I'm guessing. 295/50 15s out back, and look at that wheel well. Look how nice and clean even the inside of the wheel well is. Isn't that sweet? Well, let's get under the hood and check out that 454 power. All right, under the hood here, yeah, I know it says 396, but it is a 454. These cars did not come with 454s, but it's been upgraded to a 454. Now, the dyno sheet says this thing made 337 horsepower to the rear tires, so that tells me this thing is well into the mid 400s as far as horsepower. So this is a bad mamma jamma here, guys. You can see it's got Wilwood master cylinder, and it's got a chromed up power booster for the power brakes. It does have power steering. It's got a chrome alternator on it. It's got MSD ignition. So it's got the ignition box, the coil, and the distributor, all MSD. We got a quick fuel 750 double pump. No, it's not a, it's got a double feed, and it is a double pumper, and it does have an electric choke. It's got a cross flow radiator. You can see that the top of the radiator support's been all chromed up. The bottom side of the hood has got a beautiful paint job on it. The inner wheelhouses have got a beautiful paint job. The firewall's got a beautiful paint job. You can tell they spared no expense. I can't talk right now. Hey guys, give us a call, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.